Officials with Parks Canada have confirmed the presence of highly pathogenic avian influenza at Rouge National Urban Park. According to the Canadian Wildlife Health Cooperative, a number of cases of this bird flu have been seen across southern Ontario in the past few weeks.
Mostly in Canada geese, partially because this is a species that appears to be somewhat susceptible to the virus, and it also shares the environment with our dabbling ducks like mallards, which are the species we assume are carrying the virus.
The impact on some bird populations can be quite severe, causing disease and death. The public being advised to take precautions when interacting with wildlife.
The risk to the average person remains rather low, but what's really important is that people exercise extra vigilance if they come across, for example, dead animals, especially dead wild mammals or birds. They should avoid handling those animals. They should be extremely cautious of off-leash pets, especially on large properties.
Also located within Scarborough's Rouge Valley, the Toronto Zoo, putting its wildlife in a particularly vulnerable position. It's been operating an HPAI contingency plan since the threat of the H5N1 variation of bird flu emerged. Toronto Zoo Director of Wildlife Health Dr. Nick Masters says any sick, injured, or dead wild birds found on site are handled appropriately, and we operate post-mortem examinations and surveillance for highly pathogenic avian influenza with the help of the Canadian Wildlife Health Cooperative.
I am not a vet, but I don't think those birds are sleeping.
Videos posted to social media show other potential cases of the avian flu. This one said to be taken at Professor's Lake in Brampton.
We did receive some of those animals for testing, so we're just waiting on results for that. Based on the location and where we've seen avian influenza previously, I suspect that that's likely what's happening with those geese as well.
Stevens says anywhere that Canadian geese cluster has the chance of spreading the virus, he's asking the public to report when they see sick or dead wildlife. Megan King, Global News.